energy unless they absolutely have to. They only have about 30 to 40 seconds of super hard pressed energy. After that, they're gassed. So they need to know when and where and why to use that.
They only would launch an attack for a second, a few seconds.
Well, a good amount of 40 to 30 seconds, but they're not going to use that unless they feel like it is life or death.
Like if you jumped in and went over.
Gators,
right
they
now,
fight. They fight all the time out here. So they need that energy for that.
Oh, so they fight for territory?
Dominance, territory, mates, food, all the above.
Here,
Average is about 45 to 50 years old.
Wow.
Complete lifespan average.
That's long.
Yeah. Captivity, they can live a lot longer than that.
45, 50 years old as me.
So in captivity, the oldest, largest on record right now is about 16 feet long at 150 years old. Look, she's moving a little bit.
there's Gator, right there.
Why is there a dog out in the middle?
There's going to be a slight bump when we hit this dock, so everyone standing, just watch your balance, okay?
Yeah, why is there a dog out here?
This was a privately owned dock, basically like a house, a camp. Hurricane Irma destroyed it. That's all that's left of it. And
A long time ago.
Fish camp or somebody lived here?
privately owned, like a camp, like a hunt camp.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot of them out here. We'll have to visit another one right after this. That's fully functional.
I'm just gonna say I would love to swim in the Everglades, but I do have a cut in my leg. I probably.
Yeah, it's not as dirty as you think. The Everglades is actually the largest, slowest moving river in the world. I will. For a second, I will.
Is that like that other one that got destroyed?
Yes, but this one is fully functional. Nah, I don't own it, but I know the owners. They're pretty nice. There's a lot of them out here.
Wow, and they live out here.
Not 365,
No?
but yeah, I mean they'll come out here almost every weekend,
Wow.
like Fridays, Saturdays. You'll see like 4 or 5 airboats all docked there, partying, having fun.
Yeah.
Usually that first
How
one you
cool.
gotta ask if it's,
Yeah.
like, you know.
But yeah, back in the day, you were actually able to buy swampland.
Wow.
A lot of it all is a national park now, but you bought it back then and your grandfather didn't. So if you own property, you can develop whatever you want on it. Just camps like that. Oh, okay. You see that hole? That hole? That's from a worm called the bonnet worm. What it'll do is it'll go through the stem, start eating out the stem, hollowing out until it's fat enough to make his cocoon. Every now and then you can pop them open if we're lucky. See how it's hollow? Sometimes you can pop them open and you can actually find the worm in there. Once they're fat enough, they'll make their cocoon. So let's see if we've... Nah, this one stopped eating right there. There's another one right there.
Interesting.
out here for years.
I wish we all lived next to each other. It would be so fun.
Maybe we can rent that small house for an Airbnb.
Yeah, right. That's a no.
Yeah.
Found one?
Whoever doesn't
Yep.
want the worm.
He
All
found
right, I
one.
got one.
Oh yeah.
All right.
A worm?
You gonna throw it?
How good does it make you feel?
Wait.
You found
Can
a
I
worm?
drive afterwards?
All right. So I see him here. Let me see if I can split it open.
The worm?
There he is.
Stop it.
Oh, it's cool.
Oh, it's a green one.
So that's the worm.
Oh, there
Wait,
it
wait.
is.
Yeah, zoom in.
Nice little tequila worm.
Oh, man.
Don't eat the worm.
Throw them out there.
Oh.
You can't eat them. They do have protein and nutrients in them. I've eaten them many times. If anyone on the boat wants to eat it also. But I really want to throw it in the water, see if a fish will hit it.
Yeah, throw it.
Totally.
All right.
All right, so you ready?
Poor worm. He's like, I was having fun with my flower.
Sonny, how you doing over there, baby?
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready. All right, here we go.
Okay, watch him.
All right.
See him swimming?
Yeah.
All right, watch.
Oh yeah, it's like a jig.
Oh yeah.
If he swims closer to the lily pads, that's where the fish are hiding right now.
Your days are numbered, worm.
Yeah.
Come on.
He's gonna get killed.
Come on, fish.
Oh.
Where's my lily?
He's like, I'm getting stoned on this worm tonight.
Oh.
Hurry up,
Oh,
hurry
he's
up.
making it.
Hide.
He's making it.
He's trying to go back
Oh no.
to his lily.
He's like, oh.
Oh, he's safe.
Go find another
Safe zone.
Swim in a circle. Where are the fish?
Maybe we scared them off.
That's the longest I've ever seen a worm swim.
He wants to get back to his house pad.
He
It's
got
bad.
it. He
Survival
got
of
it.
the fittest.
Damn.
He's on the lily.
Is he really?
Yeah, he's
Find
on the
another
lily.
one.
Wow.
Hey.
Oh, he won. The worm won.
He's walking the glades, soaking off. Yeah, you love it. You love it.
Don't fall down.
Yeah.
It was deeper than I was thinking. Yeah, right? Pretty cool.
Hey, look at me. Look at that big flower all the way over there. Why don't you walk over there?
Oh, yeah. That's pretty.
Yeah, get super fun in the boat.
Get on your belly and swim there.
I'll do it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, video.
Yeah, do it, Amberly.
Now go back up. Boom. The plant's designed to do that. It's got little air pockets in the petals.
Wow.
It protects the flower once it goes underwater.
Yeah,